Hi everyone! Welcome to our finished project.
But before that, I'll show you our before. It was pretty standard, the white walls, wooden floor, grey tiles, but it had so much potential, and I'll show you what we did with this flat and how it looks now. This project is located in Berlin, in Karlshost area. This is a 3 rooms apartment for a young couple. So in this bedroom we decided to use a blue color and it worked really well. And also in this bedroom there is enough space for some sport activities and for some everyday storage.
Here is some storage, wardrobe, here is the bathroom, here is the living room.
They wanted to have a vintage vibe, vintage furniture, but still keep interior quiet but timeless. So this was kind of our main points of designing this interior for this couple. And the clients, they had amazing collection of art, so all you can see in this apartment is their art, and it's really impressive and really super cool. We also added a extra storage in living room, and we also added a wine cooler, so that's very nice to have friends over and drink some wine. You don't have to go to the kitchen to bring a new bottle. Apartments are very sunny and this is a huge plus. Let's go to the kitchen. This is a kitchen. We chose the walnut color for the main wood in these apartments. Clients really love to cook at home, and this kitchen has everything for a comfort cooking. We found a place for a small breakfast table where you can eat your breakfast or grab a quick meal. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. In this bedroom, we hid a workstation inside a wardrobe, and so you can open it or close it wherever you need it. Plus, also you have enough space for your clothes. The wardrobe and the system around the bed is from IKEA. It was very important for us and for the client to finish the project on time and on budget.
Hello sunny Berlin! Let's go, I'll show you the next terrace. We have a space for chilling with the friends. I mean, it's like a dream for everyone to have such big, wonderful terraces, sunny, and we also have a green. I want to live here.
And Yeah, we as a studio are really satisfied with the result, and we are happy that our clients too. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.